Affluence refers to wealth, prosperity, and abundance. Synonymous with opulence, it contrasts with poverty, want, destitution, and scarcity. It helps in grasping economic disparities and societal structures. Cringe, as a verb, means to shrink back or hide in fear or submissiveness. Synonyms include flinch, duck, and fawn, while antonyms are strut and swagger. It helps in recognizing body language and emotional responses in various contexts. Immobile describes something that is not movable or not moving. Synonyms include fixed and unmoving, while antonyms are movable, nimble, and agile. It helps in grasping the nuances of language, enhancing both comprehension and communication skills. Innovation refers to the introduction of something new, whether it's a method, idea, or device. It embodies change and progress, often leading to modernization. Synonyms include novelty and new wrinkle, highlighting its role in advancing technology and ideas. Jovial describes a state of being good-humored and in high spirits, often associated with being jolly, cheerful, and festive. It contrasts with feelings of gloominess, moroseness, melancholy, and cheerlessness. It helps in recognizing and fostering positive environments, crucial for personal and professional interactions. Minimum refers to the smallest possible amount or the lowest permissible level. As a noun, it contrasts with maximum, while as an adjective, it opposes terms like highest or most. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for precise communication in various contexts. Nimble describes someone quick and skillful in movement, embodying agility and cleverness. Synonyms include lively, keen, and flexible, highlighting adaptability. In contrast, antonyms like awkward, clumsy, stiff, and inflexible emphasize a lack of grace and dexterity. It enhances our appreciation of nimbleness in various contexts. Onset refers to the beginning or start, particularly of something violent or destructive, such as an attack or assault. Synonyms include outset and commencement, while antonyms are conclusion, close, and end. It helps in identifying the initial stages of events, crucial for timely interventions. Retrieve means to find and bring back or to make good. It involves actions like recovering or regaining something lost or rectifying a situation. Synonyms include recover, regain, fetch, remedy, and rectify. It's crucial for effective communication and problem solving. A template is a pattern, often made of metal, wood, or plastic, serving as a model to imitate. It acts as a guide or stencil, providing a shape or mock-up for replication. Templates are essential in various fields for ensuring consistency and accuracy in production and design.